So here we are, New York opens, right? But we haven't seen a manipulation. Okay, so had we decided to just buy above this level, had we bought, I want to just show you guys something. Had we bought over here, or had we bought over here, or had we bought over here, or had we bought over here, above the opening of that candle, right, then you would see that we were safe. Okay? We just had to buy above the opening of that day. So if we looked over here, we were going to manipulate this high. So that's what we were looking at. We were looking at manipulating these highs. So this high hadn't been taken, right? This high failed to take it. So obviously they're going to take this high, right? So what you could do is even say, listen, I'm going to get in at that level, right? Had you said I'm going to get in at that level and we went to a 50-minute time frame, where did you get involved? You got involved over there. Okay? You got involved over there. It was a winning trade. Are you with me? Don't worry about Tabiso. He's a mampara. Straight up. I know the guy. I know him. He's a fucking twat. He's a talker. You know these guys who just talk, yep. You can't even trade. Go look at his chart work. Can't even trade. He's one of those fucking twats that come onto your live just to disturb your peace. An absolute loser. Anyway. Yeah, Buddha 2.0, literally. Guys, Tabiso can't trade. Like, he's that guy that tries to get information, but yeah, no. No, Tabiso, I know you can't trade. Yeah, you're the liquidity. So now I won't block him. I like to motivate him. No, PDO raises nonsense. Those are basically point of interest. What the fuck? No, man. So what are we expecting for the day? So first off, we can see that there's a nice big rejection over here, right? We want to see what happens. So if price breaks below, remember that we want to see price and what it does at the opening. Okay, at the opening. So we understand that there is a point of interest at this level. Okay, not only do we have fair value, but we have an order block. Actually, no, we don't. Sorry. We have a fair value gap sitting at this level, right? So that would beat up BSO's PDRA. Okay, and this is where we expecting the next candle to fall, right? So should price fall into this level, then there should be a manipulation to the upside. So what would be above this level? What would be above? So let's say somewhere here, what would be at this level to manipulate? So go to a 50-minute time frame and look at what would be above this level. So we can see that price is going to create some kind of volatility, some kind of liquidity pool, right? And then what we want to see now is obviously price liquidate this level and then start to fall. You with me? So we obviously want to see what price is going to do at this level, right? Are they going to manipulate, right? Or if they're pushing lower, then you might find out that they would push to this level, right? So let's say they push, right? And then let's say now we're coming into London. London then manipulates, right? So let's make it look something like this. So this is what it looks like, right? Okay, we have that consolidation, right? So we're consolidating, right? And then we have London manipulate. So London then manipulates, which means that New York will then buy up. That means that New York will then distribute. Yeah, to either make a new high or to wait for some kind of retest to then go higher. I don't know. We'll have to see, but we'll have to see what London does. We'll have to see what London does in order to get a verification. All right. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you. I need to leave. I've got to be somewhere at 11:30. Not be somewhere, but I need to make a video call. I'm out. See you on the flip side. Peace.